Hey guys, I'm doing another Fabfitfun unboxing and I'm gonna get used to shooting this way, so I will not edit and I will get the videos out quicker, but I also figured this way you can probably see the product better if it's in my lap. Otherwise I have to like hold it up and stuff. So anyways, my first Fabfitfun box was sponsored and I liked it so much that I bought another one. So technically I bought this for my daughter. Yeah, right, it's mine. Talk about shopping addiction. Yeah, because I thought about it and it's like, Michelle, it's things you don't need. But anyways, that first box was so fun. So if you didn't check it out, look at that video. But if you want to order this box, so how it works, if you do a quarterly one, 4 items are customizable, or if you prepay all 4 boxes, 6 items are customizable, and then you save a lot. Like annual membership is $220, I think. And then use my code Michelle F20 gift. You'll get a free gift worth $200. Or if you do the quarterly box, the code is Michelle F20, and it will be, I think it's $15 off of your first quarterly box, which comes out to $47.99. Okay, so again, sorry, if you do quarterly, you get to customize 4 items and 2 of them are surprise. So we customize 4 in here and 2 are surprise, but also they can't guarantee if you customize it. It also says we can't guarantee that you're gonna get what you picked. But this box is heavy and I don't remember what I picked, but it's heavy. And it's a box that came in the mail, and me with my shopping addiction, even if it's little things. So like I don't go and buy a bunch of luxury stuff or Tiffany jewelry anymore, but sometimes like little things like lipsticks, trips to Ulta, Sephora. I think I was just little things here and there, but they add up. And then of course I have to think, am I gonna use these things? Anyway, so let's open the box. Okay, the first thing I customized, so I believe it was like in the first box, or in this box, the spring box, you choose a pickleball set or a salad bowl set, and or like 4 other things. And you can only choose 1 from each category. So the other one, I have the pickleball set. It's super cute. And I wanted the Swell salad bowl kit. I don't know why. It's not like I don't have containers for salad, but this one's pink. So that justified the whole thing because this one's pink. And I think its MSRP is like $35. That's like suggested retail price because it's Swell, you know, it's not cheap. So it says scan for exclusive Swell offer. See, they're gonna make me buy more stuff. Unfortunately, that's like what this company does. You're gonna see stuff that you wanna buy and buy. Anyways, also because you can, once you're a member, whether you're quarterly or international, you can go on their website and they have deals. When I mean deals, I mean like dry shampoo costs $13 instead of, I think it's $38 in the store. So like there's that option, you know, like you're already saving money. Okay, so it looks like a dog bowl, but it says stainless steel salad bowl. I like that, so I can put my lettuce in here. And see up here, I'm gonna put my sourdough toast. I like the separate compartments. That's also good for sandwiches. My mom taught me when you make sandwiches, put the tomatoes outside until you're ready to eat them, like in its own little baggie, so the tomato doesn't squish and get your bread all soggy. And then it has a salad bowl, a salad dressing bowl. Did I just like bought the whole thing just for that? You know, I'm sure I could have figured out some other option, but it wouldn't be as cute. So there you go. Especially because lately I'll get my salad and my beets and my goat cheese from Trader Joe's and also some seasoned chicken. So put those together and it makes a very inexpensive lunch. And you got your, like, you know, salad dressing or olive oil in there. Super cute. Plus it's pink. Okay, so yes, I thought about this. Do you need this? Is it more stuff in your kitchen? So what I'm gonna do is I just get rid of the bowl that I'm not using, and I have plenty of stuff I'm not using in my kitchen, but that is perfect. Perfect for my work days. Okay, so I already showed you, I think this was number 6. I don't know if I got to customize this, but I'm glad that I got it. Or maybe I did. It's Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I did talk about this before. Now, this is perfect for, example, this is day 2 hair. If you saw, so I've been just throwing content at you guys. Yesterday, I posted a hair tutorial with my GHD Chronos. And oh my God, look at the waves. This is from yesterday. So what I do, if it's day 2, I'm gonna demo for you. Just spray it. Oh gosh, that's too much. Not like that. Probably gotta shake it up a bit. Cause see, now it looks like I have a skunk streak in my hair. That's the only problem with this, that it's a white shampoo. So I really have to take my brush, is my brush handy? And just brush it through so that it doesn't show powder. This is the only thing I don't like about this, that you have to like take your hands and really shake it through. But the dry shampoo, it is going to refresh your hair. Absorb oil, but also add some texture. I definitely need to brush that because now I look gray. You don't want to look gray, okay? Not a good example. I also do not spray. I tell everyone this if you didn't know. Spray in the bathroom because you don't want this or hairspray landing on your carpet or your sofa. So it's just random tidbits because I do wedding makeup and sometimes hair. And like sometimes people don't know that. Like if you're assisting me, bring a towel. Don't be spraying all over the place. Like you've got to cover people's stuff. Anyways, just FYI, because trust me, I've had friends that come over and then spray their hair in my hallway on the carpet. It just sticks to the carpet. So don't invite those friends over anymore. That's my solution. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, I got a journal. Yes, I ordered another journal, but it's not just any journal. So I love to write. I love to write. It's my creative outlet. I love to write my shows. It's funny when people ask me that. Do you just turn on your camera and shoot? I'm like, do you think the producers of Friends do that? Not that I'm on that level, but you know, it's good to write, especially when I get an idea, I gotta write it down. So this is my daily check-in. I believe I'm gonna have to find out. It comes with some type of online membership that you follow along. And where would it say that? Okay, you have 24/7 access to your digital platform. So, and I guess I gotta find out what else. Okay, so it's got like daily check-in, to-do list, I will accomplish. These don't work for me. I don't know why I did it. I think I'm gonna be more productive. You're lying to yourself, Michelle. I'm actually quite productive if I have an empty one and I just like write my thoughts, because I can figure out a lot of conflict, shall I say, or say you have some mental anxiety and you're trying to figure out, or like whatever happened that day, you write your gratitudes. That's why I do. I don't know. My therapist might like this for me. Who knows? But I like books. They're good. It's good to write stuff down. Okay, so what is this? Win a free Celine vertical cabas tote. And HelloFresh. That seems like too much work for me, so I won't do it. Ah, okay, this one I did order, which was not an option in the first round. So this is my second box in the first round. They're both spraying, so I don't know why they did that, but this is a food scale. Probably another thing I don't need on my kitchen counter, but I don't think I liked any of the other options. And of course, like as you get older, you guys, it's like sometimes hard to watch what you eat because I just want to watch it all go in my mouth. So okay, now I have a food scale. Weight, milk, water. It's also good for, you know, I figured if I ever bake again, because occasionally I bake, and that's something you have to be more precise, whereas cooking, you don't. Like cooking, you can go by taste as you cook, but for baking, you know, I might want that. Who knows? or if I really wanted to count my proteins, I've been good just about knowing just around how much I should have, but I haven't actually like measured out the grams. Okay, I'm gonna save the bag for last. So I also got the Pure Greek olive, I was about to say olive oil for cooking, but no, it is shower gel olive blossom. I got to see if this has fragrance. If it has fragrance, I cannot use it, but it looks like it, oh yeah, it does. Oh, alrighty, you might have to give it to someone. This is, it's by that brand Chorus, which you can find in like Sephora. So shower gel, or maybe I'll bring it to yoga. I don't know, because I actually use their, if I have to take a shower, I use their soap, even though it has fragrance. Okay, the last thing, and I actually really wanted this too. So there were 3 things that I really wanted, was the dry shampoo, the food bowl, the salad bowl, and actually also in the first customization, there was an option for the Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. So I wanted that, but it wasn't in this customization. So, but anyways, for the price of $47.99, I was like, well, just get it, because at least you're getting the things that you want. So I wanted this bag because I saw that other influencers picked this too. And it was between this and the big floppy hat. So I got the floppy hat in the first round. And then I saw other people's videos. I was like, I want that bag. It's not like I don't have any other bags. You have plenty of bags, Michelle. But I wanted this one because I wanted to fit. I've got my pickleball set right here. Let me get it. It's right behind me. Okay, the pickleball set. I wanted to have the bag specifically for pickleball, and that made sense to me because currently my Neverfull is my work bag and my yoga bag. So if I were to put pickleball in there, it would be just a bit too much. But look, it fits in there pretty nicely. And this you can carry, wait, where's the other strap? It says convertible. So I guess like this, or as a backpack. And I just envisioned this as a backpack. It was, you know, I already knew that. I'm like, oh, here's the other. I see. No, wait. No, that's the handle. Okay, let's backpack it. There we go. I'm gonna fluff it up here. It's got this compartment at the bottom for shoes. You see that? And then I like that it had 2 big water bottle pockets. And for that reason, because see, I'm always thinking, where am I gonna use it? I thought, okay, pickleball, and then you put the water bottles, but then it's actually really good for Disneyland. So I can put my water bottles here, because currently my Disneyland backpack, I have to open the backpack because there's no water bottle pocket. So I was already thinking, I was like, oh, I could put water bottles there. And then as the true Asian mom that I am, I could take like a flat Tupperware and put cheese and crackers and put it in this bottom compartment, because I'm probably not going to carry extra shoes to Disneyland, but I can carry snacks. So I think that's a good spot for, like, you know, a Tupperware of cheese and crackers and grapes, like my own charcuterie board, and then some granola bars. So anyways, the value of this bag alone was $80, I think. So I paid $47.99 for the whole box. Maybe I can even put the salad down there. Yeah, it will all fit. Okay, so anyway, so I thought that'd be cute for like a new official pickleball or yoga. It's a really nice material, you guys. It's kind of thick. It's thick. So that's good, because some bags you can't tell online. They look like probably really flimsy, but this one is thick. Like, it's got layers. I feel like 3 layers in there. And this was the only color available at the time. Is that all I got? Okay, yeah, so that's it, you guys. That's a good amount of stuff. Again, if you use my coupon, so if you want to buy the quarterly box, it's like you just buy 1 box. Is that a white hair or is that dry shampoo? Okay, see, it's dry shampoo. I'm like, wait, I don't have more white hairs. So if you buy one quarterly box and then use my code MichelleF20, it takes like $15 off or something like that. And it makes it less than $50. That is such a good deal. It's like $47.99 and then tax and shipping. So it's like, I don't know, 54 something is what it comes out to. And then I'm waiting for, I'm surprised it didn't come at the same time. Like I said, you can go online and just like shop from their deals. Anything, like if you need a new yoga mat, if you need those nesting baskets, they had a lot of those, like laundry baskets, anything for your home, a lot of things for skin. But I found a pair of sunglasses that I want for the car. So I like to keep like cheaper sunglasses in the car. That way I'm not ruining my Vuitton sunglasses. I don't want to wear them all the time. Because you know, things happen. You sit on them and stuff like that. So I was hoping to have that, but I'll just like put that in a short later. So, okay, I just didn't want to make this video too long. It's 16 minutes. I'm not going to edit it. Thank you guys for joining, and I will put all the info in the description. See you soon. Bye.